During this period, many students do their education using the internet. Therefore, we often use the Google search engine. In this video, we are going to analyze 5 very useful tools that have been given to the Google search engine to make it easier for us to solve educational problems and learn new things. They say that it will be used in English and in the future it will be possible to use it in many other languages. Now, what are those tools? Easy access to educational resources related to more than 2000 science, technology, engineering and mathematics concepts. What happens here is that when you search for a science or math concept, an overview, examples, related sources and videos are shown related to that concept, so through which you can easily access the required sources. For example, when searching for chemical bonds, you will be able to see the above mentioned things related to chemical bonds. Nearly 1 million problems to practice means that you can check the knowledge you have acquired under a certain topic. That is, when you search for a topic related to a subject like math, chemistry and physics in the following way: BBC bite size, Byju's, careers, 360 check, CK12, education quizzes, grade up, great minds, Kahoots, OpenStax, top, Vendor2 and other such educational providers. You can see the accuracy of the answers by answering the questions provided by. For example, when you search for chemical bond practice problems, you can answer the questions in the following way: opportunity to use augmented reality technology and 3D models for lessons. So again, thanks for watching and learn with Abia. See you in next week.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing.